How to properly show and hide GTK window in Python. So I have the following code, Python 2.7, that checks for a combination of key presses and shows/hides a GTK window with a few GTK entry boxes. The show/hide works until the window locks up and stops responding, and the inner part of the window turns black. I have to kill the process and start it up again once that window turns black. I've tried all different combinations of show_all and returning true after hiding the window to no avail. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here. In the end, I'd like to be able to press this key combination and show/hide this window without the contents going away.
Here is a small hack that tests the window show/hide when pressing F5. When you press it, a second window will show or hide, and I've tested for some time without problems. Maybe it's the hook manager that somehow is messing with the GTK/glib main loop. Nonetheless, my method only works if there is a window to grab the key presses, so you will need, indeed, some form of grabbing key presses if your goal is to have no GUI.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.